Hey, my name is Chloe Sens and I'm a special effects makeup artist. Today I'm going to be bringing Marie Antoinette back to life on my good friend Red. So for this Marie Antoinette look, I'm going to start by applying a neck prosthetic to make it look like her neck was slit. Now I'm going to be using an acrylic-based medical adhesive to stipple around the edges to hide the edge and blend it into the skin. Next, I'm going to be applying a foundation to her face, and I just want to make her face as flawless as possible before I start adding the dead look on top. So this is a really cool little trick. I'm going to be using my airbrush to make all the little veins and model out the skin to create that dead look. The hardest part of this look is really achieving fine veins, so take your time while doing the veining and make sure you don't blow them out. Alright, now that we have our dead look going on, I'm going to do the classic Marie Antoinette eye makeup and blush to give it that look that she's wearing the makeup that she had on before she died. The first step to achieving this is applying a pink eyeshadow over the entire lid. I'll be applying false lashes and mascara. And the final step is a winged out black eyeliner. And for Marie Antoinette, obviously the look isn't complete without the wig. This Marie Antoinette has come back from the dead, so she's really sassy, and I definitely wouldn't get on her bad side though. This makeup was really fun to do, but even better, I had a great model that really brought it to life.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell for the newest makeup transformations from Beauty Well.